Hey guys, it's your boy Foxy, and today we're covering some common misconceptions about the YouTuber life. So if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, you definitely should watch this video until the end because some of these common misconceptions will shock you to your very core. So when people ask me what I do for a living, older people basically, and I say I do YouTube, I'm always met with,
"Oh my god, that must be so cool, you must be making a lot of money. Or it must be so great to have such a loyal fan base that watch all of your videos and like all of them."
Yes, I'm putting ideas in your head. Please keep watching this video. I need watch time. Smash like. Okay, yes, it is awesome being able to make money on YouTube, and having a fan base is so cool. I mean, it's the best thing ever. But
He's going to complain about YouTube again. Here he goes.
there is a side to YouTube that nobody talks about, and I feel like if you're going to be starting a YouTube channel, or if you're thinking about pursuing YouTube full time, you should be presented with all the facts, and especially the ones nobody talks enough about. And that's what we're doing in this video. In a previous video I made where I gave you guys tips that got me to 2,500 subscribers, a lot of you DM'd me and commented that they themselves are YouTubers, or that they were thinking about starting a YouTube channel and pursuing YouTube full time, which was so cool to know. So like always, be sure to comment your opinion on the matter after watching this video in the comment section down below. Your opinion matters to me, and it would be so cool to know if some of my audience are actually interested in being full-time YouTubers. Anyways, let's dive in. The first misconception about YouTube is the money. Obviously, when I tell people that I do YouTube for a living, they immediately ask me how much money I'm making from YouTube and if I could pay off their house mortgage. I know for a fact that people think of YouTube as a get-rich-quick scheme, but you've probably guessed by the tone of my voice, YouTube is not a get-rich-quick scheme. YouTube is hard work. I myself spent upwards of 7 hours per day on making YouTube videos, and in early stages I made, drumroll please, $0. So flashback a few years back. Here I am, sat in my room with my computer, pumping out videos like crazy, working super hard, sweating my ass off, eyes are hurting, back is hurting because I'm sat in this chair for hours on end. You know, my phone is blowing up because Amanda Cerny won't stop texting me asking me out. I told her no, I can't, I'm really busy, I'm on this YouTube grind, you know. I want to be a successful YouTuber. I upload my first video, let's see how it's doing. Yes! 1 view, 2 views, 10 views. I'm famous. You are soon going to realize that it's gonna take a long time before you see them dollar bills roll in. I mean, yes, don't get me wrong, you can make a lot of money on YouTube, but only if you do it the right way. And you're probably now thinking, what is the right way of making money on YouTube? See what I did there? I entice your curiosity. Psychology tricks, baby. Don't worry, I'll tell you exactly how to make money on YouTube. Or better yet, how I make money on YouTube. My money making on YouTube comes down to 2 things really. One is consistency. If I have any hopes of making any consistent money on YouTube, I obviously have to upload consistently. That's common sense, but sometimes common sense is not common practice, so I thought I really had to say that one. Second one, which is the more important one, is watch time. The longer I can keep you guys entertained and tuned into the video, the more money I can make off it. Not only does that help the video make more money, but it actually helps it get more views. Now, this doesn't mean you should be making a 30-minute tutorial about brushing your teeth and forcing people to watch them. The key here is making actual good content, engaging content. And I even mentioned this in my previous video. Make videos that add value to the people watching. And if your video adds value to the people watching, whether it's the value of entertainment like PewDiePie does his videos, or the value of knowledge like Vsauce does his videos, or the combination of the two like I do in my videos. I mean, I try to keep my videos both informative and entertaining. Am I succeeding in that? Leave a like to let me know. When your video actually provides value to the viewers, they'll be more interested to sticking around to the video and watching it until the end. It's as simple as that. Which leads me to the second common misconception about YouTube, which is that you need millions of subscribers and millions of views to be able to make some form of regular income on YouTube, which is so not true. Basically boils down to, if the algorithm likes you, you will make a lot of money. So get on her good side. And there is a lot of ways YouTubers could make money from. One of them is the YouTube ads, which I'm gonna be talking about in a bit. Another one is sponsorships and brand deals. You may have seen a lot of YouTubers say, this video is sponsored by blah blah blah. Hell, I even said it when Prism Life Studio sponsored some of my videos. What happens is, a brand pays a content creator in exchange for a promotion on their YouTube channel. Some YouTubers also make money from merchandise, like a lot of famous YouTubers like the Sidemen, Logan Paul, David Dobrik make money from selling merchandise like t-shirts and hoodies to their fans, and they actually make a decent living from that. Comment down below and tell me which of these ways is your favorite way of making money on YouTube. Anyways, for small YouTubers, ad revenue is gonna be the main focus at the beginning. And as I said, if the YouTube algorithm likes you, you are gonna make a lot of money. I know you're probably thinking, how do you get on the algorithm's good side? Super simple. It boils down to 3 things. The first tip is to increase your watch time. And as I said before, the more people watch your video, the more money you could make. And guess who gets a cut of that money you make? YouTube takes 45% of the money you make from ads. So if your video keeps people engaged, YouTube can serve them more ads. And in turn, YouTube will be happy with your video, so they will promote it more. And there the feedback loop of happiness and money making will start. Second tip is to increase your click-through rate, which means how many people click your video when YouTube actually recommends it. You could do this by choosing a really good custom thumbnail that raises curiosity and adding a title to match it. Make a thumbnail that raises curiosity and have a title that complements that thumbnail. Or you could do it the other way around. I mean, for example, look at this video that Vsauce made. He got a yellow color as a thumbnail, and in the title he titled it, "This is not yellow," which is, what? What do you mean this is not yellow? Let me click this video and find out. You see now the psychology tricks YouTubers make to get click-through rate? Anyways, the third way you can make the algorithm like you is to improve your engagement. The more people engage with your video by commenting, subscribing and liking, the more YouTube will think your video is actually good. And then YouTube will start recommending your video to more and more people. Which reminds me of, please leave a like on this video. As you can see, it really helps out a lot. The third misconception / mistake new YouTubers make is that they make consistent videos for a short period of time, and since they put a lot of effort, when they don't see results quickly, they get discouraged and they give up on their dream of moving to Los Angeles and owning a Lamborghini. Some videos take a little longer than others to pick up. For example, see this video of mine. This video took literally 1 year of being uploaded and not gaining a significant amount of views, and 1 year later it actually blew up, as you could see. Another example is this YouTuber called Legal Eagle. This guy kept on making YouTube videos for like 2 years without actually seeing any significant results. I mean, I think he kept on making videos for 2 years and his channel only generated 10,000 subscribers. But what happened is, after a few years of making videos, being consistent on YouTube without actually seeing any results, this guy actually blew up at the end, and his channel right now is really close to hitting 1 million subscribers. My advice is to basically focus on making the best quality videos you could. And always keep learning how to improve your videos, your titles, your thumbnails, your description, and your video making in general. I know it sounds cheeky, but I'll say it because I really believe that it's true. Your time will come, your channel will blow up, and you will get hundreds of thousands of subscribers, if not millions of subscribers. But for the meantime, be sure to lay out a good foundation for your channel by making good quality videos consistently, and really don't care about the numbers. Just keep making videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something new. If you did, then be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. Hit that subscribe button because I'm on my way to 3,000 subscribers and all help is appreciated. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.